Imagine the human body as a bustling city. Buildings of all shapes and sizes work together to keep things running smoothly. But at the heart of this city lies a true architectural marvel, the human heart. This incredible organ, responsible for pumping life-sustaining blood throughout the body, doesn't just appear overnight. It undergoes a remarkable construction project, starting from a single fertilized egg. This journey of the heart from a cluster of cells to a fully functional organ is a testament to the wonders of human development. It's a story of precision, timing, and intricate coordination, where each step is crucial for creating the final masterpiece. Just like any grand construction project, building a heart requires a blueprint. It needs skilled workers, specialized materials, and a well-orchestrated plan. Over the next few weeks, we'll journey through this amazing process, witnessing the formation of this vital organ. We'll uncover the secrets behind its intricate design and marvel at the beauty of its creation. So buckle up and get ready to explore the awe-inspiring journey of the heart's first beat. Our journey begins with a single fertilized egg, smaller than a grain of sand. This tiny, almost invisible speck of life is the starting point of an incredible journey. Within this minuscule cell lies the potential to develop into a complex organism. A human being with trillions of cells, each performing unique functions. This tiny speck of life holds within it the potential for an entire human being. It's fascinating to think that all the information needed to create a human body is encoded within this single cell. The journey from this point to a fully formed human is nothing short of miraculous. In the first week after conception, this single cell divides rapidly, creating a sphere of cells called a blastocyst. This process, known as cleavage, is the first step in the complex dance of development. Each division brings the embryo closer to forming the structures that will become the organs and tissues of the body. This might seem like a chaotic jumble, but hidden within this early structure lies the blueprint for our future heart. The cells within the blastocyst are already beginning to specialize, setting the stage for the formation of the three primary germ layers. Enter the mesoderm, one of the three primary germ layers that form in the embryo. The mesoderm, along with the ectoderm and endoderm, plays a crucial role in the development of the body. Each of these layers will give rise to different tissues and organs, laying the foundation for the complex structure of the human body. These layers are like the founding fathers of the body, each responsible for giving rise to different organs and tissues. The ectoderm will form the skin and nervous system, the endoderm will create the gut and internal organs, and the mesoderm will build the heart, muscles, bones, and blood. The mesoderm, in particular, is tasked with building the heart, muscles, bones, and blood. This layer is incredibly versatile, giving rise to a wide range of tissues that are essential for the body's structure and function. Without the mesoderm, the body would lack its core framework and the ability to move and circulate blood. This remarkable layer holds the key to our heart's origin story. The cells within the mesoderm are destined to become the heart, one of the most vital organs in the body. The heart's development is a complex process that begins with the mesoderm's formation and specialization. Think of the mesoderm as a master architect, carefully laying out the plans for a magnificent skyscraper. Just as an architect designs every detail of a building, the mesoderm orchestrates the development of the heart, ensuring that each cell is in the right place at the right time. Within this layer, specific cells receive a special signal, a call to become the building blocks of the heart. These signals are like instructions, guiding the cells to differentiate and migrate to their designated locations. This signaling process is crucial for the proper formation of the heart. These cells, destined for greatness, embark on a journey to a designated area where the heart will take shape. This migration is a carefully coordinated process, with cells moving in response to specific cues. The journey of these cells is a testament to the precision and complexity of embryonic development. The mesoderm, in its role as the blueprint provider, sets the stage for the next exciting phase of heart development. By organizing the cells and providing the necessary signals, the mesoderm ensures that the heart begins to form in the right place at the right time with the right materials. It's a crucial first step, ensuring that the heart's construction begins in the right place at the right time with the right materials. The mesoderm's role in this process is vital, as it lays the foundation for the heart's development, setting the stage for the formation of a fully functional organ. As the first week of development draws to a close, the stage is set for our next milestone. The journey of life is a complex and fascinating process, and each step is meticulously orchestrated. From the moment of conception, cells begin to divide and specialize, setting the foundation for the intricate structures that will form the human body. The special cells destined to become the heart, guided by the mesoderm's blueprint, begin to gather. These cells are not just any cells, they are pre-programmed with the potential to create one of the most vital organs in the body. Their journey is guided by a series of signals and instructions that ensure they reach their destination. They migrate from their initial locations, converging towards a specific area near the head of the developing embryo. This migration is a highly coordinated event, with cells moving in a synchronized manner, almost as if they are following a carefully laid out map. This crucial region, where the heart's foundation will be laid, is known as the cardiogenic area. It is here that the first signs of the heart will begin to take shape, marking the beginning of a complex and wondrous process. Imagine a bustling construction site, buzzing with activity as workers, tools and materials arrive from all directions. Each worker has a specific role, and together they build something magnificent. Similarly, the cells in the cardiogenic area are like these workers, each with a unique purpose and function. Similarly, the cardiogenic area becomes a hub of activity. Cells communicate with each other, exchanging information and coordinating their actions to ensure the heart forms correctly. Cells, like skilled laborers, arrive with their own unique talents. Some are specialized in forming the muscle tissue that will make up the heart's walls, while others are adept at creating the blood vessels that will supply the heart with oxygen and nutrients. Some are adept at forming muscle tissue, while others excel at creating blood vessels. Each cell type has a specific role to play, and together they work in harmony to build the heart. Together they form a diverse and skilled workforce, ready to build the heart. This collaboration is essential for the proper formation of the heart, as each cell type contributes to the overall structure and function of the organ. This gathering of cells is not a random event. It is a highly organized process, with each cell receiving specific instructions on where to go and what to do. It's a beautifully orchestrated process guided by chemical signals and genetic instructions. These signals act like a foreman's instructions, directing each cell to its designated location within the cardiogenic area. These signals act like a foreman's instructions, directing each cell to its designated location within the cardiogenic area. The cells respond to these signals with precision, ensuring that they arrive at the right place at the right time. As more and more cells arrive, they begin to interact, communicating with each other and laying the groundwork for the next stage of heart development. This interaction is crucial, as it allows the cells to coordinate their actions and ensure the heart forms correctly. The formation of the cardiogenic area marks a pivotal moment in our heart's journey. It is the first step in a long and complex process that will ultimately result in the formation of a fully functional heart. It's a testament to the incredible organization and coordination within a developing embryo, showcasing how individual cells, guided by an unseen hand, come together to create something truly remarkable. The journey of heart development is a marvel of biological engineering, and it all begins in the cardiogenic area. As week 3 of development dawns, the real magic begins. This is the moment when the foundation of life starts to take shape in the most extraordinary way. The cluster of cells in the cardiogenic area, now a bustling construction site, starts to take on a definite shape. These cells, which were once indistinguishable from one another, begin to organize themselves with a purpose, guided by the intricate blueprint encoded in their DNA. The cells, following their genetic instructions, begin to differentiate, transforming into specialized cell types. This differentiation is a highly coordinated process where each cell knows exactly what it needs to become, whether it's a muscle cell, a blood vessel cell, or another type of cell crucial for heart development. Some cells elongate and become muscle cells, stretching and growing to form the strong, contractile tissue that will eventually power the heart's pumping action. while others flatten and form the lining of blood vessels. These endothelial cells create the pathways through which blood will flow, ensuring that every part of the developing embryo receives the nutrients and oxygen it needs. Gradually, this organized chaos gives rise to a structure that resembles a simple tube, the primitive heart tube. This tube is the earliest form of the heart, a precursor to the complex organ that will sustain life. This seemingly rudimentary structure, barely a few millimeters long, marks a monumental achievement in heart development. Despite its simplicity, the primitive heart tube is a marvel of biological engineering capable of initiating the first heartbeat. For it is here, in this humble tube, that the heart beats for the very first time. This initial beat is a pivotal moment, signifying the start of a lifelong journey of rhythmic contractions. Imagine a conductor raising their baton, bringing an orchestra to life with the first note of a symphony. Just as the conductor's gesture sets the entire orchestra in motion, the first heartbeat sets the stage for the complex choreography of the circulatory system. Similarly, the primitive heart tube, with its first beat, sets in motion a lifelong rhythm that will sustain the growing embryo. This beat is the beginning of a continuous, unbroken sequence that will last a lifetime. This initial heartbeat is a simple, rhythmic contraction, pushing blood through the developing circulatory system. Each contraction propels blood forward, ensuring that the embryo's cells receive the vital supplies they need to grow and develop. This first beat is not just a testament to the heart's developing muscular ability, but also a signal that the heart is beginning to fulfill its role as the engine of the circulatory system, but also to the intricate network of electrical signals that orchestrate its every beat. These signals ensure that the heart beats in a coordinated manner, with each cell contracting in harmony with its neighbors. Even at this early stage, specialized cells within the heart tube act like tiny pacemakers, ensuring that the heart beats in a coordinated and rhythmic manner. These pacemaker cells generate and regulate the electrical impulses that drive the heartbeat, laying the groundwork for the sophisticated cardiac function that will develop in the weeks and months to come.